Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use New Expensify so you can automate your expense tracking, receipt scanning, and reimbursements in 2026. Let's get into it. First, sign up and access your personal AI. The first step is establishing your account and connecting with the platform's intelligent core. Head to the Expensify website and sign up for an account using your email or Google login. Once logged in, navigate to your personal AI icon located in the top right corner. It is important to clarify that in 2026, Expensify has been fully updated. By accessing the personal AI, you ensure you are utilizing the new Expensify interface, which replaces the legacy systems with a faster, chat-based experience that handles your data with much higher precision. Next, review the new homepage and analytics. Before you start entering data, you should familiarize yourself with the upgraded Command Center. Check the latest announcement notification on your dashboard regarding the new homepage. Explore the upgraded Insights and Analytics tab to see your spending patterns at a glance. The 2026 update focuses on proactive financial health. The new homepage acts as a live feed of your finances, while the upgraded analytics provide instant visualizations of your budget, helping you catch overspending before it happens rather than waiting until the end of the month. Lastly, create your first expense. Now that you are oriented, you can begin logging your costs using the streamlined creation tool. Locate the plus icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Choose your preferred method, scan a physical receipt, upload a digital file, or enter the details manually. In 2026, New Expensify's Smart Scan technology is the standard. Whether you take a photo or upload a PDF, the AI instantly extracts the merchant, date, and amount. Using the bottom left plus icon ensures you can log an expense in under 5 seconds, keeping your records accurate in real time. And that's pretty much it. To use New Expensify in 2026, sign up for a free account and check your new homepage for the latest analytics. When you're ready, just hit the plus icon in the bottom left to scan or manually log your expenses for instant tracking. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.